After I have downloaded the new Streamlined framework from the Kapi'olani course framework site and use the instructions to upload it into my new Sandbox site, it will look like this. I've got my little pop-up window. I've got the instructor information section with instructions and assets that I can use to build. This will be invisible to students, and I can delete it when I'm done with it. I've got a welcome module, an orientation module, and then one module called weekly modules. And the only thing I have in there is this page template. So you can see it's got a bunch of different assets in here. Obviously I can delete these out and just use the ones that I need. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do after putting this into my Sandbox site. So I've also got this reference site where I've brought over content from Laulima, and it comes over looking something like this. It's fine. It's not exactly the way I'd like it to look, but the content is there. So the easiest thing for me to do is to open this in one tab, to open up my Sandbox in another, and to simply copy paste things back and forth because I want mine to look like this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click and go to Edit HTML. I'm going to go back over to this content and do the same thing. And I'm going to copy all of the actual substance that came over. Just click copy, come back over here, and I am going to delete out all of this and just paste it right there, all of my content. So there we go. It's already been kind of revised to look nice, to look like it's branded for Kapi'olani. And I can continue to edit things as I see fit. But after that, I'll just click on Save and Close. Now, that just gives me my one page and my one module. So if I need a week 2 module, I will just come out here and say week 2. But then what happens when I don't have a page? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Upload, create a file. Here I'm going to select a document template, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and go to Browse for a template. And then I'm going to find a page template. It should be probably the very first file that you see after the Do Not Delete. I'm going to click to select that and then click on Add. And there I go. There's my template again. I'll pop back over to my other site, copy that content, paste it in and edit, give it a name, save and close, and I'm on to my next week or my next page. There are resources in the course framework site where if you want to create custom banners, there's a Canva file that you can edit. Lots of things to show you how to customize over there in the customization module. But that's pretty much it. So that's the Streamlined framework. It just gives you that one page and you can kind of use it over and over, recycle it as you see necessary, and continue to build out your modules.